So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some handmade die gift ideas for your partners that are handmade gifts and budget friendly affordable collection. So guys, before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. So in this video we are sharing a lot of ideas such as affordable budget friendly die Valentine gifts for your partners or someone you want to gift on this Valentine. So guys, whole video is totally affordable and affordable ideas full of. So watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. So each and every kind of gift is very beautiful and heart melting. So you can make also kind of such for example a card, handmade card, that will be super exciting. Some kind of sticky note jars and jar, like you can also make a jar and add some kind of sticky notes, write some kind of quotation, heart feelings, so you can add in this jar. And even you can make such kind of fabric hearts, that will be super exciting. You can add and make a box which you add a lot of kind of stuff on the box and data such as kind of teddy bears, chocolates, and even all kind of these. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can also download the whole video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end, and select the idea that you like the most. So guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.